because coffee makes Mondays better. I'm drinking tea today and a coffee day. That's where I'm starting my day with. We still have my tattoo. Hey, good morning! Monday morning today. Welcome to a new vlog. Welcome to a new week. I wanted to start my Monday morning very nice. I wanted to go for breakfast with a friend, but she has problems with the metro. She will be late and I have to start working at 11. So yeah, I hope she will make it and we can still go for a coffee. It's 9 now. I'm uploading my video of today, and yeah, I'm gonna do some things for my blog. I think I'm gonna make a coffee. Normally when I start at 11 I don't drink coffee first at home, but now I'm already awake and I'm like, I want coffee, I want to work on my blog. So that's it. Breakfast. I'm drinking the same as the weekend. Ethiopian coffee from Jacobsen Oxford. I made it with the French press again. I normally do that at home because, as you maybe saw in my previous video, when I make a V60 it's very unprofessional. It works, but it also takes a bit more time, and the French press is super fast and good. It's good. Let's go to work. Mondays. Do you guys like Mondays? I normally don't mind Mondays because coffee makes Mondays better. Just a quick update. I came home from work, I had some food, and now I'm going out for a beer. I'm gonna meet Yvonne, and Yvonne works for tap water, and I'm gonna explain you more about this. But I'm getting a filter for my water, and I'm gonna see if it's gonna improve my brewing at home. But there will be a special video about this, so stay tuned. Good morning, Tuesday today. I started at 11 and I'm already doing some stuff for my vlog, and yeah, I'm drinking tea today. I'm starting with tea. It's also because I didn't have filtered water anymore. My bottle was empty, so I don't want to make coffee with bad water. Talking about water, yesterday I got the filter. Let me show you. Okay, so a little unboxing kind of. Can I do that with one hand? Okay, so this is the tap. It's called tap 1. They're also producing tap 2 now. I will explain more about this in an extra video. But yeah, this is the magic tool. So let's go to work. And I changed myself. Hey guys, I'm at work and I found some time to talk to you, to my coffee lovers. I don't know if all my subscribers, all the people that watch my videos are coffee lovers. Very curious, so leave in the comment if you're a coffee lover. And I'm gonna make myself an AeroPress. working in the center. Mostly on Wednesdays I work in the center. If I say center, I mean the shop in Elborn, Passet Dessert, which is the first Nomad. It was the first Nomad, so that's where I am on Wednesdays. And it's gonna be really warm today, 26. From now on it's gonna, I've lost the word, it's gonna be warmer and warmer and hotter, so yeah. So if you're ever in the center in Elborn and you're looking for some nice cakes, go to Honeybee. They have awesome cakes and croissants, everything. I couldn't choose. I took a cookie, but everything is good. They have cakes from the Cake Man, and that one is awesome. I will put a link down. Good morning, Thursday today. I have to go to the roastery. I'm giving training today. Looking forward. Yeah, I almost have weekend. I'm off tomorrow on Saturday. I have lots of plans, but I will tell you more about it later. I don't think I will bring my camera, or maybe I will bring it, but I probably don't have time to vlog anything. But let's see. Hello. Friday today and I have weekend. I'm off today. I have a lot of plans from 9:30 till 6 for sure. I have a lot of things to do, but also nice things to do. I have coffee meetings and a coffee date. That's where I'm starting my day with at 9:30. So I'm really excited, nervous, I don't know, but it's gonna be fun. I have tea. I'm starting with tea, green tea, because I will have a lot of coffee meetings today. And green tea is good to start the day as well. Having my breakfast, some yogurt with lots of fruits. I'm ready for today. No, está bien. What a beautiful day. I just went to Flex and Kill to buy a juice. They have the cold pressed juices. They're really good. They're like €6. For me, I think it's quite expensive. It's normal for the juice, but it's expensive. If you're in Barcelona, you should totally go to Flex and Kill for an awesome lunch. I really recommend it. It's very touristic, but everything is awesome. All the food is super good. Service is great. It goes really fast because they want to have as lot as people as possible, but yeah, I can recommend it. On my way to a new coffee place. Well, actually it's not new, I just never been there. It's called Auto Roseon. And yeah, let's see. I think it looks really cute. Let's see what coffee they have. So just went to Auto Roseon. The coffee they use actually is from 80 plus. It was the first time I've tried it, but I expected more from it actually. I think there's more potential in the coffee. I don't know, they also use the handle with only one side, so I already recommend not to do that because it's not so good for your coffee. I know maybe sometimes you have to throw away your shot, but yeah, it was really weak. It was like almost watery coffee with some milk, so that was a pity. But yeah, now I'm going to Roast Club. I'm gonna meet Johannes, a guy from Belgium, from Antwerp, and I met him at work one day and he comes here quite often, and now we go for a coffee. So we go to Roast Club. So it's Friday evening and look where I am, where we are. Yes, sofa squat. It was quite an intense day, but a very nice day. I really had fun. I went to Costa Pacifico as well to eat something with Linda. I forgot my camera because we didn't plan to meet, but I will put the link down. It's really good food. Now I'm gonna relax, do some things for my blog, and go to bed early. It's Saturday today. Is it still morning? Oh. Okay, let's do it again. Saturday today, still morning. I'm gonna make a extra video today about the tap water. So I had everything ready to make a video about the tap, and then I realized that it doesn't fit on my tap. Going to a food truck market. Yes, I'm gonna go with my board, with my friend. It's time for food! Sunday morning. I'm on my way to work. Yeah, in the end, yesterday after the food truck festival, which was really cool though, we had a lot of good food. I went to see some other friends. We went to different bars, and oh, you don't see me here, it's really dark. I come back to you. So, okay, this is better. I wanted to talk in Dutch. Anyway, I went to some different bars, had some beers, and then I was showing people how to ride on my board, and look, I fell down. Don't ride when you're tipsy on a cruiser. My tip of today. Yeah, and I still have my tattoo. Hey guys, it's Sunday afternoon. I'm still at work. I'm editing my video, almost done, so it's time to close this vlog. It was a very good week. I did a lot of things. I went to a lot of new places. I met a lot of new people. It was really nice. It gave me a lot of energy. And yeah, I'm working now 3 days, and then I have a holiday. Marielle is coming, my sister is coming. I'm super happy. We go one day to Primavera Sound. Really looking forward. And we're gonna eat a lot, drink a lot of coffee. So I'm really looking forward. So I hope to see you next week. Bye! Oh, and if you like this video, you know what to do. Put your thumbs up, and you can also subscribe on my channel.